Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of SelectorsHub and ProPath. In this tutorial, I will show you what are the advantages of being SelectorsHub Patron and what are those features, SelectorsHub Patron features. So the very first thing, like when you will become the SelectorsHub Patron, you will be supporting the one of the best community product out there, and you will be helping to grow SelectorsHub and supporting the community. The features, if we talk about the features, what all those features, the very first is like save selectors value in SelectorsHub, access to copy button. Let me show you directly here. So like when you are writing any XPath and you want to write a new XPath or something like that, so in that case many times you want to save some XPath value right there in SelectorsHub, right? Let's say you are writing this you have written this XPath and you want to save this one in the local, so and to write new XPath, so in that case you have this button, plus button here. You can click on this and it will save. But here this feature goes behind uh, Patron firewall. Likewise, if you are a like shadow DOM code and this you used to get here, there's a button here, you can directly click on and copy. So in place of this, like all the features will be available right there, you can do them. But to like the features which really save a lot of time while doing your business, so those will go behind Patron firewall, like this one. And then for iframe, when there is a code, all these will be available, no problem. Just like 3-4 features are there. And then like there is a, like you have generated the multiple selectors and code, so that's where like these copy buttons will go behind for the patrons. So like this way, so these four features will be available for patrons. So like save selector, access to copy all copy shadow DOM code, copy all XPath, copy all CSS selectors, as well as hide footer. So let's say you this used to hide the view because many times you used to open very small like this one, so that's where like it blocked your view. So this also you can hide through SelectorsHub by being the SelectorsHub Patron. And what are how you will can do all this thing, like very simple thing, you just become the SelectorsHub Patron here. Like to become SelectorsHub Patron, you just click on here on SelectorsHub website, as well as it's the link you will find in SelectorsHub tab right there here. So you go here on Patron website, and then like whichever Patron level you want to be, you can be a Patron level. There are like different level and different advantages of being patrons, so that you can become. So once you will become the patron here, please let me know. Or like I used to share the patron key, because by default a patron key will be generated when you will become the patron for you. So what you have to do, that patron key I will share with you, and that patron key is something like this. It will be random patron key for everyone. So that patron key you will have to copy and paste it here and hit enter. This is required once only, and after that you would be able to access all the features. Like now if you will try to save this value, you can save and it will save here. Like if you want to let's say you want to copy all this one, so this all button will work and everything. So and same way, like if you go here and like shadow DOM code, this also you would be able to copy. So all those features will be available and working. And this is one time task. You see that footer is also hidden, you would be able to copy this code and everything will be working fine. So these are amazing advantages, and it will save a lot of time for you as a patron, because every like people like you want to save your precious time, and $1 or $5 will not matter for you, just a coffee cost per month. So this will, and actually this will help a lot to grow and make add more innovations on SelectorsHub and help you all. So I hope, looking forward for your support. Please be a patron and support SelectorsHub, as well as save your precious time. With that, thank you so much. Please like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.